Invoice creation in Odoo begins with proper customer management. The system provides a centralized customer database that serves as the foundation for all invoicing activities. Odoo's customer interface allows you to maintain detailed customer profiles with complete contact information, addresses, and business details. This centralized approach ensures consistency across all invoicing operations. Payment terms are crucial for cash flow management. Odoo supports various payment configurations, including Net 30, early payment discounts, and custom terms tailored to your business needs. A common example is the 2/10 Net 30 payment term, which offers a 2% discount if payment is made within 10 days. Otherwise, the full amount is due within 30 days. This incentivizes early payment while providing flexibility. Tax configuration in Odoo is highly flexible, supporting various tax types including VAT, sales tax, and GST. The system can automatically apply taxes based on customer location and handle complex compound tax calculations. The final step involves creating the actual invoice with product or service lines, quantities, prices, and applicable discounts. Odoo automatically generates reference numbers and calculates due dates based on your configured payment terms. These fundamentals form the foundation of Odoo's invoice creation system. With proper customer management, payment terms, tax configuration, and invoice components in place, you're ready to generate professional invoices efficiently. Once your invoice is created, Odoo provides powerful PDF generation and customization capabilities to ensure professional-looking documents that reflect your brand. Odoo features a drag-and-drop report designer that allows you to customize PDF templates with your company logo, brand colors, and preferred layout without any technical knowledge. Odoo automatically handles multi-language support, selecting the appropriate language based on each customer's preferences, and includes electronic signature integration for legal compliance. For businesses handling multiple invoices, Odoo offers powerful batch processing capabilities, allowing you to generate and send invoices in bulk, saving significant time and effort. Recent enhancements in Odoo 17 and 18 include AI-powered features for automated invoice data extraction and smart tax calculations, along with real-time collaboration capabilities for multi-user invoice editing and mobile optimization.